Hey bro, come back again, and today we are going to learn how to install Kali Linux on our Android phone. So install it, go on this website and you will get here simple commands. You can use this for installing the Kali Linux on your Android phone. For running this command you can use Termux. From YouTube search how to install, and after installing update the packages and copy all command and paste here and run that. Here you have to go with nano and type 3 for it. Hey, it can be take time, so you can wait for it. After showing this page you can set up a storage in your Termux if you are not. After this execute this and type here this. Now start the Nintendo server, typing nh. At time of updating the packages you will get this error. It is nothing but internet error. Our Nintendo server is unable to use our mobile phone internet, so solve this using this step. Hey, if you are not saving this file, so problem will not solve. For save the file, control X, Y and enter. And now update the packages and install the VNC server in your phone. It may take time, so you can wait for it. After this execute this for start the VNC server. For running the Kali Linux on our phone we need this app you can install from browser. After installing this app, come in Termux and execute this command. After this open that app and some changes there and give your password there and run this. And congratulations, you are able to use Kali Linux on your phone. Kick stop command will help you to stop the Kali Linux server.